We are in the Big Cat Sanctuary right now. What if this was the next home? I am inside the lion enclosure. Yeah, we can easily do the next GPS 180 through here. Thoughts? Initial thoughts? I have no. Is this ridiculous? Is this ridiculous? I think they made a movie about this. It's called We Bought a Zoo, and we're about to make that dream come true. Maybe. We'll see if this even goes through.
Minibike ball.
Oh, it is.
Hey. Is this your diving rock?
Did you try it? That's pretty good. Before you came in, I looked it up.
Name that Minibike!
This is a Radio Shack mini bike. What I read on the internet says these were produced from 61 to 63, so 3 years. Had never seen one before I saw this one, and hadn't seen one since. So, nice clean bike, and my phone's ringing. We got this from one of our customers that we deal with when it comes to a lot of our events. It had a orange Briggs on it that was really worn out, and I had that NOS Briggs, so we put it on there. I think it looks pretty good with the blue. And it didn't have a rewind starter, so we just used a rope on it. Nice and easy.
They call it a Radio Shack bike because you can buy it only from Radio Shack?
That's my understanding, yes. But this has, the other one had an oil bath air cleaner on it, so I wanted, when Mike built this, I told him I want that oil bath air cleaner put on this one, and it gives it more of that time look.
So it really is just the frame as the only original part on here?
The frame, the handlebars, yeah, the tire and wheel assemblies, it came just kind of a bare frame. The jack shaft assembly here, this part was original. So this has the clutch brake on it, which makes it real easy. We didn't have to worry about building everything for the rear end or figuring out how to put brakes on it. We just have the brake band on the clutch, so real easy. I want a slab that's not going to heave or break in half.
We then took time to go see our friends at Coleman Powersports to check out their new facility and their new products.
Parking brake on the left. Push down. There you go. Oh, was it already off?
It is now.
Mostly tractor. We have mid states customer flying now. But yeah, we don't have the smaller models.
Then we head on over to Trailmaster to check out their new line of dirt bikes. We then head on home to see Devin testing out the new EBOX Dragster. And then we put the finishing touches on Andrew Porter's Megalodon mini bike before we take it out for a test ride.
Alright, people. This is Chris McCoy, C4.
We're here at GoPowerSports at a mini bike takeover. We're at Mini Biking Ain't Easy podcast.
This is Cole Weaver. What's up? I'm Cole, mini bike drag racer. Got Devin. Devin right here. Tristan.
All right, this is 109 acres of just land. Maybe this is our home. We'll see.
There's buildings in it.
Those horses are huge.
Oh, there they are. Okay.
What's nice about this place, it has a beautiful aqua-looking teal pond out here. Flat area. That's where my house is going. Name that Minibike! Tell us all about this red one.
K&S Hornet Two-Seater.
Which is extremely rare, right?
Yeah, and dumb. I can't imagine somebody sitting on here and your front tire. You better hope this person's lighter than this person, and they better be up here.
Yeah. So what kind of years on this?
I'm thinking late 60s, early 70s. It does have the original fenders. Those are GoPower wheels, which are original. It has the Tecumseh on it. That's a new old stock Tecumseh. Jack shaft system's correct. The brake system's correct. Foot pegs are correct. So it's, other than the engine and the chain guard and the seat, this is pretty close to original.
And the one behind you, is it the same? I'm sorry, this blue one up on the table.
And this came out as a Roadrunner. Still built by the same company, but whoever private labeled it, they wanted the Roadrunner. But this one has an NOS later model Tecumseh on it. Hornets are my favorite. I just like the way they handle.
Okay.
They drive real good. They're not squirrely.
Go gadget legs. What's up? We're out here just filming the build on the Hurricane 200 Pro. Gonna get this build knocked out. Going to do an upgrade video. Look at us, while we're on TV. Alright, Zane and I are out here at Rockwood late night, kind of windy out. We're testing out the Hurricane 200 Pro, so stay tuned, don't hate. We're going to look at buying this spot, bolt main jack. Went back on it, so here is our new spot right here. That's the new GoPowerSports spot.